bang, bang, bang.
Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Terraria Overhaul. And today, as you can see, I kind of have a little bit more items than I usually do. Or different summons. Ended up doing a little bit of grinding and figured out I could make terrarium. So I ended up getting like the terrarium particle sprinters and like a bunch of terrarium stuff. I am sticking with the steampunk wings because it does increase my damage and critical, plus it increases defense and movement speed. But I did make the wings just for like aesthetic wise. That being said, since last time I did a couple things. Mainly did a couple more bosses because I felt like they were gonna be boring. So did the Frost Moon, ended up doing the Leviathan, ended up doing the Golem. I was kind of clearing out the thing and I misclicked on my right click and summoned him, and apparently Terraria bosses are a lot weaker than any other modded bosses because Leviathan took me 3 different tries, but Golem took me less than that. Same thing with Lunatic Cultist. I kind of accidentally killed him because my minions, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it, and killed him in half the time with that. That being said, did a couple more things, so I figured out that the Old One's army has really good armor set that puts me over 140 with Valhalla Greaves and stuff. Hold on, I need to make that warding. Yeah, I need to get that warding. But kind of cool. Got a bunch of bosses out of the way. So my thought process for the next thing is going to be kill Moonlord. Honestly, I'd rather get, since the Terraria bosses are not so difficult, or not as difficult as I expected, I'm just gonna go ahead and kill Moonlord. I'm gonna try my best to kill Moonlord with the 147, and then we're gonna do something really stupid, but we're gonna go ahead and kill, what was the boss? Where's the Moonlord? Those, that's the Alstrom Dis. I don't want to fuck with that. I think this is Moonlord? Yeah, that's Moonlord. The Profane Guardians, I believe. No, not the Profane Guardians, not that one. Who was it? Dragon Folly. Abyssal Eyes. Where's the damn things? You'll see it later. You'll see it later. It's a fairly good boss, and if I beat it first go, then I will be set to fight every single other boss in the game. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and do the towers, not the towers, the pillars. So we're gonna go ahead. I like the Stardust Pillar, so I can get the Stardust Dragon, but Stardust Dragon probably doesn't do as much as the amount that I do now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Solar Pillar. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side, not this side, opposite side. We're gonna go ahead and go to this side, and then we're gonna head over to the Solar Pillar. Go ahead and head over to the towers and see how it goes. It might go well, you know, killing Moonlord. It might not go well. We'll see. I am really happy that I got the terrarium summons because these things are powerful.
Everything reminds me
of you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, but everything is not enough. Feeling out.
Well, at least the thing's down, so that'll make it a little bit easier. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off now before a bunch of bunnies start spawning at my base. I'm gonna have to delete that.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, on all those white hot sands. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, on all those white hot sands. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean. Sunrise is just for you. All of those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you. All of those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you. All of those white hot sands. Sunrise is just for you. All of those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you. All of those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
I definitely do more damage to any of the normal Terraria boss summons. Like anything that's normal Terraria, I can destroy like it's nothing. Okay, let's finish this pillar and then we'll go ahead and do the Stardust pillar right afterwards. And then we'll teleport home and hope that we can beat the Moon Lord. I have a really good feeling that we will be beating the Moon Lord, but it's still a big if. So hopefully, if not, we can just summon it again because we should have enough to make a spawner for him. We'll just spawn him again, but next time we'll probably end up making a bigger arena so I can fly around a little bit more. And have more of a movement area. All the ores I see. Doesn't matter if it's tin, doesn't matter if it's iron, I'm gonna mine out all the ores. So I can make more terrarium, because terrarium is something that I'm gonna need later on, or later on and soon enough actually. So it might be beating Moonlord. I say might because every time I say I'm gonna beat him, I never do. So I say might to get a chance to. Nebula pillar down, or no, solar pillar. Okay. Grab all this. Still don't know what that is. What floaty thing? Go ahead with that. Pending doom approaches, and I died. Come on, come on, come on. Go faster, go faster. Okay, okay. If I can grab all these, I might not have time to... Unless it like completely messed up, and now it can't. But no, I'm glitching out. Grab as much as I can. Back. Drop the rest of the stuff in here so I don't have it. I don't have it on me. Let's head over to the arena. Let's turn this on, which I forgot to make more. Turn this on so I get extra healing on everything. Do I have all my summons? No, I'm missing one. There you go, come on, home. That's what I was missing. It's terrible. Come on. Spawn up, boy. I'm nervous. I'm actually nervous about this. I don't know. Well, that was fun. Okay, so damage-wise, we can do the damage. It's just I need to be able to dodge a little bit more. Very good combination, 2, 2, and 2. Alright, summon Pen and do. almost enough time. We got the Bandai's out of the way. Bandai's out of the way. So what am I missing? What am I missing that I can do? Other eyes. Do the laser thing too. Oh, that's irritating. Okay. So what I'm doing. Maybe there's something that can be that's what's messing with me. do is try and use my and teleport out of the way back over here. I could actually do that. Teleport out of the way, come over here. That way I don't. You know, like that's pretty much like try not to teleport. Okay. Boom, 151. Defense, Kill the Moon Lord. Come on. You're so dead. You're so dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Heal. I died, but I killed the Moon Lord. It better have said, yup. Oh my fucking god. For fuck's sake. Oh my god. Holy shit. That took so long. What did I get? Lunar Portal Staff. Hell yeah. And I got this Celestial Onion, so now that that's done, now that I don't feel like my heart is pounding out of my chest to scream at me and ask me why the fuck I did that. Hello everybody, Future Me here. I just want to thank everybody for watching. I had a lot of fun making this series, and I'm gonna have so much more fun making the next one. Hopefully by next week I should have all the mods and have tested it out enough to know the bugs and if I should add anything or if I should take away anything. But to give you a little bit of a time lapse, Wednesday or Friday, preferably Friday, I think it's going to be Friday of this upcoming week. The new series is going to be coming out, the Terraria Ball Z. That's probably the best pun name that I could find or that I could come up with. But yeah, it's going to be a Dragon Ball Z mod. And it's going to be really cool. I'm really excited for it. And just like this one, it's going to be on expert mode. And it's going to be fun. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I really had a lot of fun making it. And learned a lot about editing and making videos. And just commentating and everything. So I really appreciate everybody's support. Every comment, every like. Every ring of the notification bell really does help a lot, and I really appreciate every single little bit of it. Again, I just want to thank you. Hopefully next series is going to be a lot better. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.